Alright. Just going to give it probably 30 seconds or so. Get people to jump in the live. We'll go over the team listings and then we will rip. Good luck, everybody. Right. I got to get all my top orders ready here. Let's see. Alright, let's go over the team listings real quick in case you didn't see them. This is break 164. And with the D-backs, we have Jared S., the Braves, Spencer A., Mike P. has the Orioles, Brian F. with the Red Sox, the Cubbies, Will T., Mike P. with the White Sox, the Reds is Jared S., Ivan M. has the Guardians, Mike P. has the Rockies, the Tigers, Darren C., Mike P. with the Stros, Royals, Mike P., and Mike P. also has the Angels, the Ivan M. has the Dodgers, Marlins, Spencer A., Brewers, Mike P. Will T. has the Twins, the Mets, Mike P. Dan O. with the Yanks. The A's is Matthew V. Dan O. with the Phillies. Pirates is Mike P. Spencer A. with the Padres. The Giants is Brian F. Mike P. also with the Mariners. The Cardinals is Spencer A. Darren C. with the Rays. Good luck, Darren. Tim M. with the Rangers. Matthew V. with the Blue Jays. Tim M. with the Nats. All right. Let me turn my phone on Do Not Disturb here. There we go. All right. Wow. Nice. Let's see. Alrighty. Got everything in. Leave my top loaders. Let's go. Start with this one here. Get my knife out. Good luck, everybody. What's going on, Brian? Oh, he's calling a Red Sox auto. Let's do it. I'm sure everybody else will say no, but let's go, Darren. That's right. Empty box. Let's roll. We gotta cue the holders here. All right. Good luck, everybody. This is box one. Topps Chrome 2023. Shout out for the Angels. Jared Walsh. Our first refractor is Key Bryan for the Pirates for Mike P. We got to keep it close here. That's a refractor. We got CJ for Washington and Ryan McMahon for the Colorado Rockies. It's a Key Bryan refractor. Some people say Key Bryan, some people say Cabrian. Yada yada. Tomato, tomato, right? And we have a prism. What do they call that? And alright, it's upside down here. Willie Adames. And our prism is for the Pirates. It looks like rookie Luis Ortiz. Pirates hitting early. We got Trevor Story for the Red Sox. Right behind it, Ozzie Albies for ATL. All right. Got another refractor in this one. So we got Tatis. Our refractor is a rookie. Oh, there you go, Texas. There you go, Tim. Josh Jung. Rookie refractor. Possible rookie of the year. We broke his finger yesterday, but on that stupid pitch, it hit him in the hand. But nice hit. We'll put him up right away. If you didn't know, I'm a Texas Rangers fan, so. Josh Young, rookie refractor. We have Logan Webb. Come on, Logan. And we have German Marquez for Colorado. Dang, Tim, you called it early, buddy. All right, Drew Waters for KC rookie. Alek Manoah. We got Nolan Arenado. And Jose Altuve for the Stros. Beat you to it. What's KC on the back? Got another refractor here. So we got Alex Bregman. A refractor is a 35th in 1988. Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. For Ivan. Jose Ramirez. 1988. 35th refractor for the Guardians. And we got a Rosarina for the Rays. And Vinny Pasquantino, rookie cup for KC. Dude, before he got hurt, man, he was looking fantastic. Definitely a slugger. Then we got another Prism. Here, so we got Jonathan Aranda for the Rays rookie. And our Prism for the Twins, Joe Ryan. This is our Prism refractor. Oh, this one's upside down. 1 second. It's that one sleeve we got put backwards here. Joe Ryan, Prism refractor. More Texas. We got Bubba. Unfortunately, he just got sent down. And then Freddie Freeman for the Dodgers. The lightweight champ. Nice. And another refractor. So we got Tyler Stevenson for the Reds. Man, my head's a distraction. Refractor. Jose Miranda for the Twins. Refractor. Will. Another refractor, sir. So we got Ketel Marte for the D-backs. And more Twins. Joe Ryan. Yeah, no kidding, huh? From that bout, that was fantastic. One punch and he's down. Actually, we hit a Ramirez auto not too long ago. So you Darvish, you gotta hit that guy up. You Darvish. Oh, Lubob, Luis Robert, Prism refractor for the White Sox for Mike. Some Mets, Francisco Lindor, and Stephen Kwan for the Guardians Rookie Cup. Dude's decent. Let me drink here. Let's wait for someone to say something about Tim Anderson, but nope. Dude, he threw down quick. He was so quick to throw down yesterday. It's like he was waiting on it. Now we got another refractor here. So we got Shohei. Now we need a refractor of Shohei. And it's not Shohei. St. Louis, Ivan Herrera, rookie refractor for the Cardinals. For Spencer, rookie refractor. And for Detroit, we have Spencer Torque. And Nolan Gorman, there we go. St. Louis pack. Nolan Gorman, rookie. Oh, that's funny. You guys are awesome. We got an auto already? Oh, we do have an auto. We're going to sweat the auto. So we got Jeremy Pena, Rookie Cup. And Drew Rasmussen for the Rays. We're going to sweat that auto till the end of this box. So we got Cubbies, this Marcus Stroman. So we're going to put it right there. Dude, if it's a Ramirez auto, I'm going to scream. It'd be fantastic. This is about the time you get top dollar for Ramirez autos. Alec Boehm. Pete Alonso, Polar Bear for the Mets. 1988 35th anniversary refractor. For the Mets. For Mike. Nope, come on. There it goes. Right behind it, Justin Verlander, who used to be a Met. And for the Rays, oh, there's Wander. Wander Franco. Man, come on, colored. We need some serial number here. Make us sweat. You bet it. You bet. Unfortunately, it's not a numbered parallel. I didn't think. So we got Xander, then Ketel Marte for Arizona for Jared. Prism Refractor. We got Carlos Perez, rookie for the White Sox, and Juan Soto for the San Diego Padres. All right. He's having a quite good year, too. Could tell. All right, second half here of this first hobby. So we got Michael, is it Toglia? For the Rockies. A Refractor. Ooh, I think it's the Reds. It is. Spencer Steer. For the Reds, rookie Refractor. Who's got Cincinnati? Jared. We got Bo Bichette. And for Sandy Alcantara for Miami. Talk about a change from year to year. Alcantara was like, he was like Cy Young Award last year, and then this year, complete opposite. So then we have Nolan Jones for Colorado. Oh, we got a blue. Finally, we got some color. Finally. Oh, we'll go slow. We got, oh, it's sideways. Come on, baby. Topps Chrome. Oh, I see Boston. Chris Sale. It's our blue refractor number to 150. Chris Sale, blue. For Boston. Who's got Boston? Brian. It's our first numbered parallel. Going to Mr. Brian. Chris Sale, blue, number to 150. Right behind him, we got Ethan Small, rookie for the Brew Crew, and Oscar Colas. There we go for the White Sox. There's Mr. Colas. Give him a year or two, and he's going to be a stud. So we got David Villar, rookie, for the G-Men for the Giants. And a refractor is from Miami. Abisail Garcia from Miami. Rookie, not rookie. I'm so used to saying rookie refractor. It's a refractor, not a rookie. So we got Nick Lodolo for the Reds. And then we have Brandon Drury for the A's. Nice, that's awesome, Darren. You always got some awesome facts. I love it. You make the breaks more fun. Just let me know, Darren. Just let me know. And then we got an insert here. So we have Kyle Tucker, Mr. Rosario for the San Diego Padres, and our insert is Bryce Harper, Titans. Come on. Come on. There it goes. Bryce Harper for the Phillies, Titans. Love that insert. Jose Abreu for Houston and Cal Mitchell for Pittsburgh. Rookie. Oh, small college, huh? FGCU. What does that stand for? So there's our Phillies, Titan. That's crazy when I love it when those guys from the small colleges make it to the pros. It's super cool. Florida Gulf Coast, nice. Yeah, we have a teeny tiny community college here in our town. And one of the guys made. Oh, look, we only got 3 cards in this one, but the first one is a Yankee, Aaron Judge, 1988 35th Refractor. Man, that got me off guard. Stupid Topps missing a card. So we got Brian Bello, rookie. And then, is it Dermis Garcia for the A's? I got sidetracked. And we got another insert here. So we got Cody Bellinger. And for Washington, Mackenzie Gore is our future stars. Mackenzie Gore, future stars insert. We got Cedric Mullins for Orioles. And Oswald Peraza for the Yankees. Need some more color in this box. I don't know. I've heard some people say there's 1 color, some people have 4 or 5 color. It's all about. And then we got another refractor here. It's all about the numbers, right? So we got Bryce Harper, and then our refractor is Wilson Contreras for the Cardinals. It's a refractor. We got Tyler Freeman, rookie for the Guardians. And Luis Castillo for the Mariners. Future stars right off the top. Spencer Strider. There we go. And then we got a purple right behind it. So we got Spencer Strider, future stars, in our purple. Oh, it's the Orioles. Oh, what a card. Adley Rutschman, purple, number to 250. Bang, bang. There you go, Mike. Man, and you got the Orioles within like 5 seconds of the other guy. Oh, my God. It was like Orioles and then boom, Orioles. What a hit. There we go. Adley Rutschman, purple, number to 250. Rookie. We're going to move Josh over. There you go, Orioles. There you go, Adley. Adley to 250. To 250. Nice hit. We got Eloy Jimenez, and then we have Teoscar Hernandez for Seattle. And we can't forget about Spencer Strider. This dude's just tearing it up. You know what? He's going to get a top loader. What a nice hit for Baltimore. Nice hit, Mike. We got a refractor in this one. We got Ryan Mountcastle. Our refractor is KC. Oh, Bobby Witt Jr. Rookie Cup. There we go. KC for Mike. Come on, top loader. There we go. We got Bobby Witt Jr. Rookie Cup refractor. Right behind it, we got Alex Diaz Rookie Cup for the Reds, and then J.P. Crawford for the Mariners. Adley. What a hit. What a hit. And then we have another insert here. We got Andrew Benintendi. We got a Titans. Jose Ramirez. Look at that. It did happen. Jose Ramirez. Titans, and we got Jazz. Wow, these are upside down all over the place. Chris Sale. Yeah, just because of the fight, he gets a sleeve. Alright, 2 more packs and we'll reveal the auto. Dude, Jared, you barely missed it, dude. Barely. I know, I feel so bad, but, like, I gotta be fair. Ryan Nelson, rookie for the D-backs. I know that we got a refractor for the D-backs. Come on, baby. Gabriel Moreno, there we go. That's a nice rookie. Rookie 35th, 1988 refractor for the D-backs for Jared. Then we got Alec Thomas and Luis Arias for Miami. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, so we got Mr. Woods Richardson for the Twins rookie. Technicolor Brian Buxton, twin after twin. Nice. There you go, Will. Technicolor Brian Buxton. Twin and then a twin. We got Mr. Springer and then Rafael Devers. Alright, it is time to reveal the autograph. Good luck, everybody. And here is Marcus Stroman. He's going to hide the auto. Oh, I think it's for the Angels. It is. Oh, there we go. Bang. Logan O'Hop for the Angels. There you go, Mike. That's a sexy auto. This dude, they have high hopes for this guy. Like, high hopes. This guy's a good rookie. That's a nice on-card. You forgot we were sweating. That's funny. So we got Logan O'Hop. That's a pretty nice autograph, actually. At least it's not some nobody non-rookie, right? Logan O'Hop, rookie. Oh, I don't know who to hide. Sorry, Josh. Oh man, we still got one more hobby. Man, that was a nice box. I only had 2 color, but the 2 color were pretty fire. At least one of them was massive fire. You forgot we were sweating. I'm going to have to go slow, that way I don't miss up on an auto. I like waiting until the end, it's fun. I used to always love that when I was in breaks. I'm going to drink here. Alright, good luck, everybody. This is box 2, hobby number dose. Gotta have a clean surface. Alright, first card is Spencer Steer, rookie. For the Reds, our refractor is for the A's, Cal Stevenson. There we go. It's a rookie refractor, Cal Stevenson. We got Stephen Kwan, rookie cup for the Guardians, and Spencer Torkelson. Spencer Steer's having a pretty dang good year, too, for Cincy. Oh, Tim, you barely missed it, too, huh? Alright, we have a Prism Refractor here. So we got Musgrove, our Prism Refractor. Oh, Masataka Yoshida. There you go, Boston. There you go, Brian. That's a nice Prism Refractor. Masataka Yoshida. That's fantastic. Prism Refractor. Masataka. Sorry, Chris. Masataka goes in front of you, buddy. We got Nolan Gorman again, nice rookie for St. Louis, and then Jeremy Pena, rookie cup, another one. Another one. There's no one. I have a feeling this box is going to be so much better. Start off with Colorado, CJ Cron, who got picked up. I think Boston picked him up. And right behind it, we got Detroit as our refractor, and it is nice hit, Detroit. Darren C. got Riley Green rookie refractor. Riley's having a decent year too, although he hasn't had very many at bats. Nice rookie refractor. We got Drew Rasmussen, Tampa Bay, and then Justin V for the Mets. This pack hates me. What do we got? Oh, do we have an autograph? Oh, I'm going to pull it off camera, and we do have an autograph. We do have an auto, so I'm gonna sweat the auto once again. So we got Mitch Haniger. And right behind it, we got Wander Franco, another chrome, and then Carlos Perez for the White Sox. And we are going to sweat the other autograph. What is that, the 4th pack? Topps is trying to ruin it. Hey, there's another Shohei. Oh, there's Xander as our 35th 1988 refractor for the Padres. Who's got the Padres? Spencer. I forgot which one I put him here. Then Juan Soto right behind it. And Tyler Freeman for the Guardians rookie. So this one we have a Prism refractor again. So we got Corbin Burns. Oh, Baltimore. Oh, look at that. Baltimore hitting heavy today. Gunnar Henderson is our Prism refractor rookie. There you go, Mike. Mike doing decent in this break, sir. There you go. Gunnar Henderson Prism refractor. Oh, man, I don't know who to cover up here. See if we can make another one. See if we can do 4. I keep forgetting to buy that thing. We have it. It's elevated. Oh, there we can see it. Gunnar Henderson next to Logan O'Hop. Then we got Luis Castillo again, and then we have Eloy Jimenez to finish that pack. Yeah, no kidding, huh? Oh, Jared's sad. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm just going to tag everybody in the next one, like, right off the bat. Oh, they only gave us 3 cards. Boo. Sterling Marte. There's Julio. And Miggy. I don't know. Is that a... No, that's not. I thought it was an image variation, but it's not. And we got a Julio Rookie Cup. True. They're playing really good. And Gunner's finally starting to hit. Everybody thought he was a bust at the beginning of the year. Come on, give us some color tops. Oh, look at that. We just call it. So we got Mike McCarthy, and we got a purple. And it's Detroit. Oh, my God. Nice hit again. Riley Green again. For Darren. Number to 250. Here you go, buddy. Riley Green rookie purple refractor. Number to 250, Riley Green. I'm telling you, this dude's having a great year. Man, I don't know who to cover up. We just put Gunner up there, too. Sorry, Masataka. Riley Green took your spot, buddy. We got Ivan Herrera for the Cardinals rookie. And then we have Bobby Witt Jr., another Chrome Rookie Cup. Nice hit for KC. Man, these Topps Chrome are so much fun. I'm just letting you guys know, if you want more, let me know, because I got 4, 5, 6. I think I have 6 more boxes. So I don't know if I told everybody, but I got onto that Whatnot app. They approved me to sell, but I'd rather sell here on Facebook. It's so much more fun. It's more personal. I might throw some more on here maybe later on this week. We got Polar Bear Pete Alonso, a refractor Cade Cavallari for Washington rookie refractor. Cade Cavalli for Tim. And we got another Josh Young. There we go. I'm telling you, he's not going to be number 1 or 2 in the Rookie of the Year. Then we got Mr. Garcia from Miami. Yeah, Chrome's fun. Chrome was extremely fun. And then we got our insert here. And we already see it's Max because I didn't cover it. Tyler Ward for the Titans for the Mets. Max Scherzer, Titans. He's now on my team, the Rangers. We got Mr. Fujinami for Oakland, which I don't think he plays for them anymore. I believe I saw him on the trade block. But, needless to say, it goes to Oakland. Who has Oakland? Mr. Matthew. Then rookie for Miami, we got Max Meyer. I take all the Joshes. I know. Dude, I'm telling you. This is another refractor. So we got Jose Miranda for the Twins. Our refractors for the Braves. Austin Riley. That's nice. Austin Riley, 1988. 35th anniversary refractor. Then Alex Call, rookie for Washington. And then we got Ketel Marte for Arizona. I know. I kept wanting to buy all his, like, was it 2020 or 2021 Bowman Chromes? I was so close to buying a ton, and then I stopped. I bought like 4 or 5. Now I wish I would have bought more. But my God, I could say that about 100 people. You have to try to pick who you think is going to turn it around or make it the next year. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, we got 1 damage card. Look at that, Wilson Contreras, Boo Tops. Then a little nick on it. Cabrian Hayes, Joe Ryan, and Francisco Lindor. Come on, more color tops, more color. This one is a refractor, so we got O'Neal Cruz. Our refractor is for Toronto. Kevin Gossman. Refractor. We got Ozzie Albies again. And for the Rockies, Jermaine Marquez. That's spring training. Nice, dude. That's fantastic. Every time I go, they don't want to sign. They only want to give kids stuff. My kid doesn't like baseball. I know. My little girl, she loves other things. Tyler Stevenson. We got a... Oh, nice. It's a rookie. We got a rookie Prism Refractor for the A's. Mr. Ruiz. Prism Rookie Refractor. Put that right there. Nolan Arenado. And then Jose Altuve. You got a Franco auto, dude? That's fantastic. So what do we have? Another refractor here. So we got Yu Darvish. And a refractor is Detroit. Javier Baez is our refractor for Detroit. There's a Rosarina. And Vinny Pasquantino again for the Royals. Hold on to these, man. He's going to be good. That's how you do it, Darren. You gotta have a friend that speaks Espanol. That's fantastic. Bro, I'm gonna send you some cards. If it was that easy, right? We got Tovar, rookie for the Colorado Rockies. Albert Pujols. We got Bubba, rookie for Texas again. And Freddie Freeman for the Dodgers. Bubba's fast. He's faster than the miners. Oh, poor guy. Salvador Perez, our refractor. Oh, it's upside down. Is that Toronto? It is. Blue Jays, Vlad, a big bad Vlad. This is our 1988 35th anniversary refractor for the Blue Jays. Big bad Vlad from Matthew. Bo Bichette right behind it. And Sandy Alcantara from Miami. I just wish I could have time off work where I could do something cool like that. So we got Marcus Semien. We have a Prism refractor. Looks like the Yankees. DJ LeMahieu for the Yankees Prism refractor. We got Ethan Small for the Brew Crew, rookie. And Oscar Colas again. There we go for the White Sox. Oh, I almost grabbed the auto. There's DJ LeMahieu, Prism Refractor. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. Good luck, everybody. We got another refractor here. We got Vaughn Grissom for the Braves, rookie. And our refractor is a rookie for KC, Nate Eaton. Rookie Prism refractor for KC, Nate Eaton. We got Vaughn Grisham. I think I put that over there. 1 second. I got the other two right. Yeah. Teoscar Hernandez. And Cincy is Alexis Diaz. Rookie Cup for the Reds. Future Stars, Francisco Alvarez. Oh, we have a numbered card, serial numbered card. Let's go nice and slow. Is that Houston? It is Houston. Jose Abreu at a 199. Who's got Houston? Mike P. On the teal refractor to 199. Jose Abreu for Houston. Oh man, we don't want to cover anybody up. We'll cover up Gunner for now. We got J.P. Crawford and Jazz. We got Francisco Alvarez, rookie Future Stars. I love it. This dude is on absolute fire. I watched him pull the gold speckle this live. It was awesome. We got 4 packs left. Good luck. Yeah, I watched too many breaks online. I'm in too many breaks. Don't tell the wife. Oh, look, Francisco Alvarez right on top. And we got a refractor behind it here. It looks like St. Louis. Tyler O'Neill is our refractor. We got Chris Sale again, and then right behind that is Alec Thomas for Arizona. There's Francisco. 3 packs left, and then we'll show the odd toe. So we got a Jeter Downs rookie for Washington. Oh, look at that Titans. Adley Rutschman rookie Titans. Oh man, I thought it was numbered, but it's not. Just the color of the team here. Dude, Orioles having a freaking amazing break. There is a rookie Titans for Adley Rutschman. We ain't got room. He's going to go right there. Hold on. That's the auto. We got to go over here. Luis Arias again. And then we have George Springer. Arias. I can't even talk. Alright. There is Jeter Downs. 2 packs left. 2 packs left. Wish we had more. I'd do this all night if I could. Sean Murphy. And for the Rangers, come on. Do it. There we go. Josh Young, 1988, 35th anniversary rookie refractor. Nice hit, Tim. Josh Young. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Right behind it, Rafael Devers. And then we have C.J. Abrams for Washington. Last pack, and then we'll hit the auto. And we have another insert. Oh, let's see. Christopher Morel. There we go for the Cubs. Nice hit, Cubbies. Oh, Matt Olson for the ATL. Technicolor. He's having the freaking year of a lifetime for this guy. If he keeps this up. Whew. Matt Olson, Technicolor. It is not numbered. Still a nice insert. We got Christopher Morel. Two cards left until we reveal the auto. Ryan McMahon, and then we have Trevor Story for Boston. Alright, boys and girls, here we go. Braves, Rays, the World Series. Yes, sir. You know, it could be. I kind of want Texas to go, though. Oh, it's a sideways card. I'm just going to reveal it. We're just going to show it. Oh, Texas Rangers, Josh Smith. Texas Rangers, Tim. Picking it. Josh is a fantastic backup. But you never know, here soon he could go in. He's a nice shortstop. He filled in good for when Bad Boy was hurt. Josh Smith. Rangers did clean up. Rangers came through toward the end. I thought Baltimore probably had a better break than the Rangers, maybe Detroit, then the Angels, maybe Houston. That was a nice break, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I might put up another 2-box tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll do it tomorrow or the next day. That's a nice Josh Smith auto. Alright, we'll do a quick recap. I want to see some numbered autos. Alright, quick little recap here. We got a Matt Olson Technicolor. We got Josh Young, 1988 35th anniversary rookie refractor. We got Adley Rutschman rookie Titans. Francisco Alvarez rookie again, Future Stars. Julio rookie cup. Riley Green rookie refractor. Nice hit, Detroit. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie cup refractor. Spencer Strider, Future Stars. Josh Young rookie refractor again. Josh Smith for Texas rookie on-card auto. Josh Smith. We got Logan O'Hoppe on-card auto for the Angels. Nice rookie auto for the Angels. We got Jose Abreu, teal, number to 199. Gunnar Henderson, Prism Refractor, rookie. Prism rookie refractor. There we go. We got Chris Sale, blue refractor, number to 150. Chris Sale for the Red Sox. Then we got Masataka Yoshida for Boston. This is our Prism Refractor, rookie Prism Refractor for Masataka. Fantastic card. We got Riley Green, purple, number to 250. Purple 250 Riley Green, rookie purple refractor. And right behind it, we got Adley Rutschman, rookie purple refractor, number to 250 also. Nice freaking hit, Orioles. Nice overall break, guys. That was fantastic. Hope you guys join in future breaks. Like I said, I'll probably put it up, I don't know, tomorrow, maybe the next day. I'm not sure. But here in the next few days, we'll put up another couple boxes of Topps Chrome Hobby. So, alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you later.